Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Bbnaija Lockdown. Nengi finally opens up to Laycon about a love triangle involving Ozo, Prince and herself. See what she said. Laycon approached Nengi to discuss the situation concerning herself, Ozo and Prince. She told him that the person she was with outside the house, she loves him, and the only thing that will make her change is if she goes out and sees he is in a relationship with someone else. She does not want to disrespect him because she knows that he is watching. She doesn't think she wants to do anything to hurt his feelings. Relationship is out of it for her in the house, and all she wants is friendship, close friendships. And Laycon said she should tell him that's Ozo, and she said she does not know if Ozo can handle it, but she knows Prince can try, and she said she would still talk to them about it. She feels when she is with Prince, Ozo gives her an attitude, and when she is with Ozo, Prince gives her an attitude as well. Laycon said that is the same situation he does not want to put Erica in when she is with Kid Wire. He added that Erica thought he was moody because she was talking to Kid Wire. Nengi feels both guys have been giving her attitude, and he told her to ask them if when she communicates with one, it affects the other. She says she does not want to hurt anybody's feeling, and she said they will all be alright. She also added that the food her and Ozo were supposed to eat together in the afternoon, he told her she can eat it all alone because she played tennis earlier with Prince. She said she wants to be friends with both of them and she will have a conversation with them. She thanked him for the pep talk and said she enjoys talking to him because he's a man of wisdom. What do you think about their conversation? Please leave a comment in the section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.